How to fix your Roblox Murder Mystery game not working? Well, there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem, majorly either because of internet or your game itself. But there are a couple of common reasons. So we're going to be looking at all the steps you can fix it. The first thing you want to do is simply go to status.roblox.com just to check if the servers are up and running. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can also try restarting your router. If that doesn't work, simply try restarting your Roblox and your device itself. If it doesn't work, you want to look if there are any updates pending for the Roblox application and update it. You can also try closing other background apps, or if you use any kind of VPNs, make sure that you have turned it off. Always ensure that your device has storage, and if nothing works, try uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.